Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs grow faster in Grow a Garden. The key to quickly hatching your pet eggs lies in utilizing specific pets with unique abilities. These special companions can drastically cut down the waiting period, allowing you to expand your pet collection much more efficiently. Understanding which pets to use and how to maximize their effects is crucial for rapid egg growth. The most effective method involves equipping pets known for their egg-hatching traits. For instance, the blood kiwi pet is incredibly powerful, decreasing an egg's hatch time by 45 seconds every 60 seconds, plus a 20% speed increase. Another excellent choice is the rooster, which offers a 20% hatch speed boost. The real magic happens when you equip several of these pets, as their effects stack and multiply, leading to significantly faster hatching. To truly maximize your egg hatching speed, focus on acquiring as many blood kiwis or roosters as possible. Fill every available pet slot with these specialized companions. Remember, their combined abilities create a powerful synergy, dramatically reducing the time it takes for your eggs to hatch. If you missed out on event pets like the blood kiwi, consider trading with trusted players to obtain them, as they are incredibly valuable for this purpose. In summary, the fastest way to hatch eggs in Grow a Garden is by strategically using pets with egg-hatching abilities. Equipping multiple roosters or blood kiwis will provide the most significant reduction in hatch times. This method ensures you get new pets quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your gaming experience and daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.